From the network perspective, automation, first of all, Ansible has a really huge support of the vendors. So all the vendors we are reviewing in this course, and not only, much more, has their own dedicated Ansible models, which are aimed to configure network elements. So Arista has, Mellanox has for their own Onyx operation system, Juniper has, Cumulus Linux has models to configure these devices, Huawei, Cisco, Nokia, F5, A10. I mean, the list is really, really vast. So you could take a look on the documentation I'll show you later on when we'll be speaking about the really configurations and elements, the list. And that's why in the current network, even so, in case if you have some exotic vendors, it probably might be not supported. Some exotic vendor that is not very popular on the market or very well distributed. But in another stuff, it's not a problem. So, second, Ansible supporting is at multiple or a lot of network vendors. It's also support the configuration of the servers. It supports the configuration of the orchestrators. So Ansible has, for instance, the module to manage Cisco ACI. It has a generic model which is used to manage the devices using a REST API. So that's why using Ansible in one script, in one go, you could deploy the service across multiple various components in your network, giving the or providing you the possibility for real end-to-end automation. And the last but not least, one of the biggest or probably biggest values of the Ansible is the configuration templates. So the idea of the configuration template is very simple. You create some template that you fill it with the variables and they push to the network element. I mean, there's nothing new. But using the Ansible, first of all, it's very easy to create the templates. Second, you could create the templates dynamically. I mean, not create, you could create the templates so flexible that you could even push the, you could create even the most sophisticated configuration of the network element. Again, like with all the automation. Automation does only things that you have asked automation to do. I mean, what you have programmed automation to do. But you could create a quite a flexible template that could add some default values, or if you don't provide the certain value, or could request them from multiple sources to combine this